Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's videos, we'll see what is Python math. Python has a set of built-in math functions, including an extensive math module that allows us to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. So here we'll be going with mathematical functions which are built in Python. So here simply I will go with y is equal to minimum of 20, 40 and 15. These are the values I have given to y, and then I'll be going with x as max of the same things. I'll take 20, 40 and 15. Okay, so here I want to print of y, and then I want to print of x. Okay, so here if I run it, I'll be able to see unexpected indent. So here there might be some space which have been given to these things. So I'll remove it. Okay, now I'm going to run it. So I'll be able to see that 15 is minimum value and 40 is maximum value. So here the minimum and the maximum functions can be used to find the lowest and highest values in an iterable. Okay, so here by iterations, it will automatically fetch you the minimum value when you use a minimum function, and it will automatically fetch us maximum value when we use this maximum function. So now we'll be going to define one more variable. A is equal to absolute value. So in order to have absolute value, we need to use ABS, where I'm going to have minus 2.2356789, like this. I'll be having a number randomly. So here I'm going to take print of A. So if I run it, I'll be able to see 2.2356889. Okay, so here absolute function will return the absolute value, that is a positive value of the specified number. So it will remove the negative value. So here we'll be having one more thing, that is power. So the power of something, like so here I'll be going with already have taken. So now I'll go with B. So here B is nothing but power of 2 comma 4. So here which means 2 power 4. Okay, so here I'm going to have print of B. So upon running it, I'll be able to see that 16, 2 power 4, which will give us a 16 value. So here we are having a math module. Python has also a built-in module called math, which extends the list of mathematical functions. So in order to use it, we need to import a math module. Okay, so till now we can able to see can simply use it. So minimum, maximum, absolute, and power can be used without importing math module also. But in order to use square root, ceiling value, floor value, that is the value of pi, we need to import something called math. Okay, so import math. Okay, and then we can use complete mathematical module. So here if I want to use something like x is equal to if I want to use square root, we need to mention math first and followed by a dot, and then we need to use square root of whichever the number you want to. So 225 square root I want to find it out. So now I'll be going with print of x, which will return us a value of, which should return us a value of 15, right? So here 15 square is nothing but 225. So simply using sqrt of 225 will not give us anything, right? So name sqrt is not defined. So after importing math module, we need to call these things with the help of mathematical function only. Okay, so here we are also having a ceiling method and as well as flooring method. So here the ceiling method will round off the number upwards to its nearest integer. Okay, so here in order to use that, I'll be going to use x is equal to math dot ceiling value. So maximum upper value, that is here I'm going to take 1.4, and then I'm going to print this one x, and here if I run it, I'll be able to see the ceiling value is 2. Okay, so here it will take up a number upwards to its nearest integer. Okay, in it will not round it off to 1, it will round it off to 2. So here if you want to have a floor value, so here we can use floor value. Okay, if we run it, it will return us to 1. So this floor method will round off the number downwards to its nearest integer and it returns the results. Okay, so here now these are the things have done with math, and the last and final thing which we have left is nothing but pi. Pi is also an inbuilt function which is in math module. Okay, so here if I go with the print of um, x, I'll be able to see that 3.141592 like this. Okay, so here complete math module references are nothing but all methods and concepts that belongs to math module. So there are many other math modules which are there in it, like sine, cos, and these are all the things you can access by importing this mathematical module. So with this, we'll be winding up this session. In our further coming sessions, we'll be discussing about Python JSON. So you guys need to remember that JSON is a syntax for storing and exchanging data. So JSON is a text written with a JavaScript object notation. So here we can convert these things into JavaScripts. Okay. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.